Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on PixelLab easily. Open the PixelLab, select a shape, select the text edit, duplicate the shape, select another shape, change the color of shape, select the erase color to back color add, select the 3D shape, then select the draw, adjust the color weight, select the pin size, change the color of shape, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button down, then select the text edit rating, size the letter, font of letter, change the color of shape, change the background color,